Monday. Monday is linked to the moon, emotions, family, and intuition. Tuesday. Tuesday relates to Mars, which signifies strength, courage, and power. Wednesday. Wednesday is connected to Mercury, which represents communication, learning, and adaptability. Thursday. Thursday is governed by Jupiter, symbolizing expansion, abundance, and growth. Friday. Friday is associated with Venus, which represents love, beauty, and harmony. Saturday. Saturday is linked to Saturn, signifying discipline, responsibility, and boundaries. Sunday. Sunday is linked to the sun, health, blessings, and fame. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.